Hi Nigel, thought I'd do a quick video response to the email you sent in about your Zanussi tumble dryer. You say you've got a TD4113W and you're having a problem getting the machine to work and you're suspecting the door's not closing properly. Just quickly talk you through it. I've put a link on this page in the description to a web page where I've not only found you the wiring diagram for this machine, but also some useful information that's in the workshop manual and an exploded diagram of the machine. But do be aware, before ordering any parts for this machine, there are 5 different variations of this model because you never sent me in the full PNC number off the machine, so I can't be exact with what I'm saying with regards to the parts. Now, I haven't got a machine this old in the workshop, but I thought I'd quickly talk you through what to be looking for. Now, the door has got a locking mechanism and it will be the same on your machine. But you'll notice on this machine we have a pin at the top. And I think your machine, looking at the exploded diagram, has the same type of system. When this pin goes into here, it activates a micro switch. And that micro switch needs to be active for the machine to work. If you opened the door while the machine was running previously, it would stop. And it's nothing to do with the door lock mechanism, it's actually to do with this pin system at the top. So it's a straightforward job. You just need to make sure that that micro switch is being activated. And on some of the early models, I believe, they didn't have such a robust plastic tag. They just had a pin that went into the actual micro switch, which would then activate it. And on some occasions, if you've got children or someone has been cleaning, they may have damaged the pin at the top here. So that's what you want to be looking at. And you also want to have a look at the little bar inside on the micro switch. There's a metal bar on the micro switch, and this bar can sometimes get bent. That means that the pin's going in but isn't activating the micro switch because that bar is bent. So it is possible that could be a problem as well. Anyway, there's a link in the description. As I said, there's 5 different variations of your machine, so do make sure you use your full model number off the identification plate, and you will see there should be a product number known as PNC number, which you may need when ordering spare parts. Good luck with your repair. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.